So this is the POCO M2 Pro. Ordered this from Flipkart in 14,000. Gonna unbox this. Let's see. So this is the manual. Gonna keep this aside. And this is the free back cover. And this is the phone. So this is powered by Snapdragon 720Z processor, Qualcomm Adreno 618 GPU and up to 6 GB RAM. That's on this. You can see the design is very sleek. It has quad-core camera. The cameras. It has 128 GB ROM and 6 GB RAM. The cameras are 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 5 megapixel and 2 megapixel for wide angle and ultra wide angle and for depth. So you can see it's the MIUI. The front camera is 16 megapixel. The screen is 6.67 inches. Dual SIM. GPU is Adreno 518. It comes with Android 10. So you can see. And few more things here I need to point out is this battery is 5000 mAh. It's a pretty durable time you can use your phone for. And there's a, you can see this thing over here. This is the side sensor. It's not a button. You can see there's a button also, but this is a sensor, fingerprint sensor. This is a fingerprint sensor. And this has 33 watt fast charging. Let me show you the charger. This is the charger. This is 33 watt fast charging. And the RAM is pretty good. As I said, it's 6 GB RAM, so you can play good games in here over here. And few more other things are like, that's it almost. And the expandable, the battery memory, the memory is expandable up to 512 GB. And the processor is octacore, 2.3 gigahertz. It's Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G. As I said, it uses Android 10, so you can see this is the Android 10. And resolution is 2400 into 1080 80 pixels, so you can see it's pretty good display. And that's it. It's dual SIM. And there's one more thing, the motor for vibration. It's called uh, Jet Joker Haptics. Jet Soccer Haptics. Sorry, Haptics. Jet Soccer Haptics. So you can get good vibration over here. And this is splash proof coating, P2I splash proof coating is there in here. Crystal clear display. You can see the front camera is also in screen. So that's it. It's a pretty powerful